Ndigbo Daluno, Afambo Jonas Chuka Obudefna, Abonisi Ndi ICAM. Achọrọ m ikwu okwu tata maka ICAMDAY. Mancha das Igbo. So biko m ga-asụ Bekee ka mmadụ ghọta ife na-ekwu. We are all preparing for ICAMDAY. It's the only day in the year where we can all get together and celebrate Igbo community in the Midlands. So we're all gonna have a good time. It's gonna be a full day and it's gonna be split into 3. So the venue is Ladywood Methodist Church. That's 184 St. Vincent Street West, Ladywood, Birmingham. And the day is April the 20th of this year, and it starts at 2 p.m. prompt. So registration for the event is 2 p.m. So please arrive on time. As I said earlier, the event will be split into 3 parts. The first part is the seminars. You know, it's important that we all get to understand more, share information, grow as individuals. And so ICAM is such a repository of so many people that have so much information, so many professionals. So we have 6 seminars in 2 streams. So each stream has 3 seminars, so you can choose which seminar you want to go to. And we'll talk about various things. Things like how to avoid hackers or scammers, or how AI can supercharge your productivity in your life. Or talk a little bit about Nigeria and its place in world history, or how to avoid certain pitfalls when you're tendering for contracts, or how to even start a business in the UK and run your business. And we even have a little bit of conversations about Biafra in terms of the past and the present. So there's a lot to talk about, a lot to enjoy, a lot to learn. The second part would be the award ceremony. I think we've done a lot for many, many years. And I think certain people need to be recognized. And so we're going to recognize those individuals who have put their time and efforts and focus and finance into what we're doing and how we've come so far. And then the third area is the actual annual general meeting, where you can listen to what ICAM Executive Committee has been up to, and what they've been doing, and how far they've come along. And you can contribute in discussions about where we need to go into the future and how far we need to go. So this, and after that, we'll have dance, where everyone can sit down and simply have a good time. So I urge you, I implore you, I encourage you. In fact, I'm begging you that bring your families, bring your friends who are Ndigbo that may join. Tell as many people as possible that we are celebrating Igbo community in the diaspora, particularly in the Midlands. So we all sit down and have a wonderful time together. So please come along. If you don't come to every single meeting that we have, that's fine. That's up to you. But please, if you're going to come to one meeting, come to this meeting. The meeting of meetings. The super meeting, if you will, where we'll spend a whole day really enjoying each other's company, learning and being a better, stronger, diverse, together, unified community that we've always been. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you on the 20th of April. Thank you.